Glamour Global. I'm President and CEO Misty Wright, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you a company unlike any other. Glamour Global is an international event production and marketing firm dedicated to creating extraordinary experiences. Welcome to a world of opportunity.
Hi, I'm Annie Parmalee, Vice President of Operations for Glamour Global. I live in Austin, Texas, and I've been in the nightlife and entertainment industry there for about 5 years, and I look forward to expanding globally.
My name is Danielle Lipsky, and I am the Vice President of Marketing for Glamour Global. I'm an SEO specialist, Google certified, and have a degree in web design. Welcome to a world of opportunity.
Hi, I'm Allie Rivera with Glamour Global, and I'm an international model turned entrepreneur, and I'm looking forward to bringing you a promising future with a great company with amazing staff and amazing talent.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Loaiza, and I'm the Vice President of Talent and Music for Glamour Global. Welcome to a world of opportunity.
This is Glamour Global.
Welcome to a world of opportunity.